Welcome. Thank you for choosing to focus on your well-being and joining me for this brief 5-minute guided meditation where we aim to help reset your nervous system and reduce anxiety by centering yourself on gratitude even on challenging days. Let's begin by finding a quiet, peaceful place where you can sit comfortably without any interruptions. You can sit in a chair or on the floor, or if you prefer, you can lay down. The important thing is to be comfortable and relaxed. If you are comfortable with it, close your eyes gently, or if you prefer, you can always just lower your gaze. Take a moment to settle in and notice the contact your body is making with where you're sitting or lying down. Feel the heaviness of your body sinking into the support beneath you. Take a deep breath in, hold it for a count of 3, 2, 1, and then let it out slowly. Feel your chest and belly rise and fall with each breath. Continue breathing deeply, letting each breath calm you and center you. Feel your chest and belly rise and fall with each breath. Continue breathing deeply, letting each breath calm you and center you. Imagine a warm, glowing light in the center of your chest. With each breath, this light grows brighter and larger, filling your entire body with warmth and peace. This light represents the gratitude you hold within you. In your mind, bring up a challenge or difficulty you're currently facing. It could be something big or small, something recent or something from the past. Hold this difficulty in your mind's eye. As you exhale, imagine letting go of the negative emotions tied to this challenge, the anger, the frustration, the sadness. As you inhale, fill the space left behind with peace and acceptance. Repeat this process a few times so you feel a sense of calmness wash over you. Inhale, filling you with peace and calmness. Exhale, releasing the challenging feelings you're struggling with. Inhale, bringing in peaceful energy. Exhale, ridding your body of any remaining anxiety. Now, think about this difficulty from a different perspective. Even though it's challenging, try to find something about the situation for which you can be grateful. It could be a lesson learned, a strength discovered, or even a connection made with someone else. Hold on to this feeling of gratitude. Imagine it as a small glowing orb in your hands. As you inhale, imagine this orb growing bigger and brighter. As you exhale, imagine the light from the orb filling your entire body, replacing any remaining negativity or tension. It's not about ignoring or dismissing your difficulties. It's about acknowledging them and finding the hidden blessings they might hold. This doesn't mean the challenges aren't tough, but it does mean that they provide opportunities for growth and learning. Let's end this meditation with a few more deep, full breaths. Try to carry this feeling of gratitude with you, letting it remind you of the good in your life, even in difficult times. Remember to always be patient with yourself as you work through challenging situations. Gratitude is a practice, and it takes time to learn. Take a last deep breath in and a long breath out. As you move through the rest of your day, remember you can return to this feeling of gratitude whenever you need to. It's a tool that's always available to you, no matter what you're going through. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for taking these minutes for yourself and for your self-care. I hope you feel more centered and relaxed. I'm wishing you peaceful rest of your day. Take care.